users. Ngayon naman ang pag-usapan natin ay ang lahat-lahat na rules ni Noisecash. Mahaba-haba yan, tingnan nyo. Pag-usapan natin ang mga yan. Kasi itong link na to, isinend ko dun sa isa sa tinuruan ko kung paano gumamit ng Noisecash. Ang sabi niya, mahaba daw, nakakatamad basahin. Ay, ganon. Okay, ngayon ang sabi dito, dear users, ranked as spam? Getting no tips? Please take some time to read this and explain it to your friends who think they are unfairly treated. Diba? Pag minsan kasi, hindi ka talaga makakatanggap ng tips kahit naman marami ka nang na-earn na heart react. Bakit? Yan, pag-uusapan natin yan. Babasahin na lang natin kasi mahirap mag-translate ng Pilipino. Ito. If you are using any translation software to read this, here by tips, I mean money given to you mostly by us, this word is often translated incorrectly as advice or something like that. Sadly, by now, yan, mali na naman ang aking basa. More than 93% of users from Pakistan are rated as spam. Yan, 72% from the Philippines. Naku po, ang Pilipinas. Oo, marami yan. Bakit? Kasi gumagawa sila ng chat box. O di kaya grupo chat sa messenger. Doon sila nag-usap-usap. Tapos, pag nandun na sila sa Noisecash, nagka-heart react sila ngay. Yung parang yung napapalitan sila ng heart react. Tapos, nagre-renoise din sila para mas marami ang heart react at makakarami sila ng kita. Kaya dahil doon, nag-update si Noisecash para makaiwas na yun ng ganun. Pilipinas talaga, oo. 57% from Venezuela, 85% from Bangladesh. Diba? Meron pang Indonesia dito. Kala nyo ha. Some goes for many other countries. Terrible. It's not about countries though. People don't even know which country you're from. Okay, they rank what you post. So, pag nag-login ka doon sa Noisecash, hindi ka nila kilala. Stranger ka doon. Kaya dapat, ang mangyayari dapat, sumusunod ka sa rules. Ayan, kahit isa kang dwelling soul doon. Dwelling soul? Sabi nila. Yan ko, oo yan. We look into it and users are mostly correctly ranked. Tama naman daw ang pag-rank nila. You might think you are wrongly ranked, but read this first. Thousands of users have excellent ranks and have no problems. It's not a problem with the system or fake ranking. It's a problem with what you post. Walang mali sa kanila. Talagang nasa atin ang mali. Kung talagang hindi tayo sumusunod sa mga patakaran nila at saka sa mga rules nila. Kaya we write this to try to explain what to do and what not to do. So we write this in hopes that you can read this and follow the ideas and ideals of Noisecash so that you can benefit from using this site and earn some Bitcoin Cash too. Many users follow the rules like don't beg, yan. Huwag kayong nagmamakaawa. Or don't post porn, sabi nga nila. But don't follow the ideals which make up the soul of our community. Tama naman, sinusunod nila yung mga basic rules, pero yung talagang pinaka-ideal o yung pinaka-rules, yun ang hindi nasusunod. So first of all, we want to make something clear. This site is not a replacement for a job. Yun ang sabi ko. If you desperately need money, find a job. This site is for entertainment and maybe earning a little bit of money. The more you try to work here, the faster you end up with a spam. Rating and stop earning any tips. Don't waste your time and find a job if you need one. Bakit nga sinabi yun? Kasi kapag nananatili ka dito sa Noisecash, may tendency na magiging spam ka. Bakit? Kasi minuminuto nagpo-post ka. Ano yun? Tapos pagka lagi kang nandyan sa Noisecash, may tendency na yung mga comment mo paulit-ulit na lang. Dapat hindi pwedeng ganun. Okay, tandaan yan. Now, for some advice, first, if you don't speak English well, please write in your own language. O kahit mag-Bisaya ka, mag-Ilocano ka, mag-Igorot ka, ay pwede. There is no reason to write in bad English too. Kahit naman hindi ka marunong sa English, pwede naman eh. All your posts in English like wow, interesting, indeed, and thank you for your information are annoying people and they rate you as spam. Ayan, pwede kang i-rate na spam ng pinag-commentan mo. Being rated as spam prevents you from getting any tips from us except for QR code tips that are sent directly by other users. They are less than 1% of all tips, very little amount. Again, write in Urdu, Tagalog, Cebuano, Bengali, or whatever your native language is. You don't need to write in English. Ask your friends to do it to you. Okay, number 2, don't post generic responses like wow, interesting, thank you for this useful information or more power to you. People know that you did not read their message and we know it too. People will mark you as spam or you even might be marked as spam automatically. We know about 10,000 of such spammy phrases in 50 plus languages by now. Yes, including your own language. Hindi pa? Talaga naman, sa haba-haba ng panahon na pagtatrabaho nila sa ano na to, sa noise cash na to, hindi ba nila madedetect yun, di ba? So number 3, don't copy-paste stuff from Facebook. Yun ang sabi ko sa inyo eh. Google or from anywhere, lalo na sa IG. All these posts are obvious and people mark them as spam. Yan ang sabi ko sa inyo. Number 4, don't post a smiley and an image or something like a church or a tree and an image. People mark all of this as spam. Yan, magpo-post ka nga ng kahoy. O anong kahoy yan? Bakit po pinost yung kahoy na yan? Dapat explain mo bakit mo sinabing o bakit ka nag-post ng kahoy na yun o bakit ka nag-post ng church na yun. Anong kaganapan? Anong meron doon? Ganun siya. And then, people reward original things, your own thoughts, your own stories, not stuff you took from Facebook and added a smiley. It's a no-no. Number 5, don't smiley replies. This almost immediately get marked as spam. Oo. Minsan may nag-smile nga sa akin eh. Nagko-comment ako tapos parang nag-smile lang siyang ganyan. Isa lang na smiley. Spam talaga yun. Number 6, remember that noise cash is not work. If you treat it as work, then start posting the whole day to random strangers every 1 minute. People will be annoyed by the fact that you're posting useless stuff and will mark you as spam. Sabi ko na eh, hindi pwedeng magbaba talaga sa noise cash. Number 7, don't ask people to rate you or tip you. Yan, sabi mo, don't beg, diba? Obviously goes to spam immediately. Number 8, don't give hearts or tips support to your friends who post similar nonsense. Our system detects when you support spammers and you will be marked as spam too. Naku po, give and take, naku. Yes, if you rank an obvious spammer as excellent because he's your friend or you're in the same Telegram group, our system starts to watch your account extra carefully and might mark you as a spammer. Yan. Number 9, please stop with good morning. Going to eat, I just ate something, good night, post. People see this in explore section and mark them as spam as these messages are obviously have no useful content. People don't want to see it, especially if you go to a random person's post and post something like good morning, you will with a huge chance to be immediately marked as spam. No yan. Sinasabi ko na eh. Number 10, we know some of you like religious texts, but these texts are copy-paste. They don't have any new information. Unless you give some thoughts, you will probably be ranked as spam. Number 11, don't post stuff that only your close friends will be interested in. This is not a chat. Some will politely reply something about the fact that you ate some food today, but generally, anyone who sees this post in Explore will rank you as spam, and your friend replying nice will be ranked similarly. Number 12, if someone's post is in English, please don't reply in your own language. People don't understand you and think you post only to beg for tips. People are annoyed by this and rank you as spam. Number 13, want to quote someone? You can do it, but quote a short part that is interesting and put a link to the original place where you got it. However, if most of what you do is quoting, then again, people will mark you as spam. People know that all you are doing is trying to get more money. Number 14, don't post dozens of messages per day or hundreds, as this means that you haven't put any efforts into that and people will see it. Number 15, copied poems, fiction stories, news stories, excerpts from books, study books, your lecture notes, blog posts from famous blogs, anything from your face feed and any images taken from the internet, you guessed it, you will be marked as spam. Nako po. Kaya talagang be careful talaga, extra careful ang kailangan dito. Anything that you didn't write or create will get you in trouble. Thinking about using Google Translate to translate your local language stories, news to English, bad idea. You will end up in spam. Sabi ko na eh. Naranasan ko to eh. Yung bang nagsusulat ako ng ipopost ko bukas doon sa aking diary o di kaya doon sa note ko. Ang ginawa ko, kinabukasan, ayoko na kasi mag-isip eh. Ang ginagawa ko, copy-paste na lang. Pakopiin ko doon sa aking note o di kaya doon sa aking diary tapos ipipaste ko doon sa aking noise cash. Ako naman ang gumawa nun. Ako nagsulat nun, ako nag-isip nun. Pero ang nangyari, na-copy-paste mo doon sa, may nangyaring copy-paste kasi. Kaya doon, bumaba yung rank ko talaga. Kaya iniwan ko yung isang account ko na yun. Kaya be careful talaga, mga ka-noise fam. Number 16, obviously, follow the rules. Don't beg for tips or subscriptions. Don't ask us to review your account. Don't promote violence. Don't post porn, etc. Or you might get your account fully blocked. Ito ang delikado dito. Number 17, here is my photo. Also gets you a spam rating. We all have phones. We all can open the camera. Tell a story about this photo. Why you decided to take it? Where were you? That's interesting. Here. What happened before and after? Okay. Okay, sulat mo, mag-ikwento mo kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari nung kinuha mo yung photo na yan. Pagkatapos at bago, di ba? Number 18, when you try to rank spammers as excellent, you can get into trouble. But also trying to rank obviously good users as spam can similarly get to a spammer rating from us. Ngayon, maganda naman yung post niya, ang kaso ni-rate mong spam. Oh, mali din yun. Spammer pa rin yun. Number 19, don't participate in any schemes where you coordinate in a groups to help each other. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung gumagawa sila ng chat box nila, yung chat, group chat nila, to cheat Noisecash. Kasi alam ni Noisecash yan. Same goes for creating multiple accounts and telling us it's my 5 brothers that live with me. We've been doing this for nearly 2 years now and heard similar stories hundreds of times. Don't do this. So sorry ha, ginawa ko ng bagong account sa kagustuhan ko na tutor yung ibang gustong matuto kung paano magbukas ng kanilang Noisecash. Ayan, ginawa ko yun. Pasensya na, pero hindi ko alam kung talaga magiging spammer talaga ako sa ginawa kong yun. Pero gusto kong tumulong wala akong magagawa. Kaya sabi dito, don't cheat, you'll waste your time and then post angry stuff about Noisecash instead of blaming yourself. O kasalanan mo naman, bakit si Noisecash ang pinagbibintangan mo kung wala ka nakukuhang tips, diba? Number 20, getting your account into good ratings takes time. Okay, talagang mababang panahon. Sinabi ko nga, pagbaguhan ka pa lang, medyo wala ka pa makukuhang tips. Kailangang bigyan mong panahon yung pagpo-post mo at saka pagko-comment mo. Hindi naman lagi-lagi magpo-post. Pwedeng every 2 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours, ganun. Pag marami ka ng subscriber, pwede ng once a day. Okay? Yan. Tapos, ano tayo? And then, maybe weeks. That's why, again, we're repeating, if you need money that you can survive on, don't rely on Noisecash. Find a job. Seriously. Okay, number 21, we ignore rankings by many users because we know they rank spammers as good users or vice versa. Some people rank hundreds of accounts of their friends as excellent daily, but all of their rankings are ignored because we know we can't trust them. Don't waste your time. Number 22, don't copy post replies of other people on Noisecash. This is completely disrespect for people's work. We will immediately block any tips forever if we find out, or we might delete your account if you do this regularly. Ayan ang mga rules niya. Tapos may pa siyang pahabol. We have manually reviewed thousands of accounts marked as spam and most 99.9% of them are absolutely correctly marked. Wow! If you are not getting any tips, the reason is one of the above or something similar. What to do instead? Ano ang dapat natin gawin? And sabi dito, post things that are interesting for many people, post original things. That's what social media is about. If you post about your family, post some stories, not just this is my child. Imagine you're on TV and you want to tell something interesting to a big audience. You go on TV and tell people, good morning, and then, this is my brother. Then show a picture of a random tree and say, a tree. Will people be amazed? Of course not. If you continue like that, you might get yourself into trouble for wasting people's time. Why do you expect them to be amazed here? People will be confused and leave. And in case of Noisecash, they will also mark you as spam to avoid reading you in the future. Minsan meron akong blinak na isang user We don't know who advised people to do all this, but it's all wrong. People try to create new accounts and then you get marked as spam again and again because they do the same stuff that annoys people. What should people instead? If you are marked as spam and have been doing any of this, the best thing is to stop immediately. Create a new account and start doing things differently. However, if you have already created more than 5 accounts, yes, we know, you won't be getting tips for quite some time. Same accounts are counted when you are the same device. You are using the same device, not based on the same Wi-Fi. Talagang nadedetect nila kung gumawa ka ng maraming account, multiple accounts, sabi nga, dahil sa device na ginagamit mo. Kaya talaga kung gusto mong gumawa ng bagong account, magbago ka ng device mo. Ganun siya, guys, okay? Is there something interesting that you want to share with people from your country? What do you read about? Something interesting? What people's in your city, village? Take a photo and tell a story. Did you read something interesting about Bitcoin Cash or other cryptocurrency? Talagang ito ang dahilan kung bakit ginawa ni Noisecash ang platform na to para sa Bitcoin Cash or cryptocurrency. Ang kaso nga lang, hindi naman tayo lahat magaling sa cryptocurrency. Siyempre, pinagbibigyan pa rin tayo. So tell in your own words. Again, don't copy-paste. This will get you marked as a spam. Ask people questions about things you're interested in. Find some interesting post in your native language. You search, read them, think, and only if you have something useful to add to that, post a reply. If you post useful replies, people will rank you well. Remember that when you post a generic reply like, that is very useful information and I thank you for it, people will rank you as a spam and you'll stop getting any tips. Have you seen something interesting around you? Take a photo. Tell a story. Have you visited some interesting place? Tell a story about that. Read some articles. Find some useful information and tell about it. Have you created any electronics or future yourself? Built a house, a website? Tell about it. Show the process. Tell people how it goes. We want to reward creative, original people, people who put in effort to post something original and interesting that will do. We will not reward mindless typing, clicking, or copy-pasting. Yan. Naku po, mga Kanoy's fan, ito ang pakatandaan natin. So, ang pinakalas na sabi dito, if you want to translate this to your language, feel free to do it and post it to your subscribers. Don't expect us to tip it do, as previous experience shows us people are quick to jump to Google Translate DeepL to try to get a quick tip, but we can't verify your translation. So ito, ang ating dapat pakatandaan. Kaya nakikita niyo yung mga ano nito, ang dami nagre-renoise. Tapos ang kita lang niya is $1.48. Ang heart react niya is 1,821. Kasi hindi pa ako nagka-heart react, diba? Yan, mga Kanoy's fam, ang rules na dapat natin tandaan. Kung hindi niyo pa naintindihan, pwede niyo ulit basahin. Ang link ay ilalagay ko sa baba at doon niyo i-click at basahin niyo dahil magulo talaga ako magbasa. Kasi natatakot ako sa aking kapaligiran. Nasa bundok talaga ako, nag-iisa ako. Nagre-record kasi nga maingay dun sa bahay. Kaya bumaba ako dito sa bundok. Okay guys, bye now.